everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the zoom camera issue on Instagram. If you're unable to zoom in or out while recording or taking pictures, follow these steps. First, open your phone's camera app to check if the zoom function works outside of Instagram. If it's not working in your main camera app, the problem may be with your phone's camera rather than Instagram. Next, check camera permissions. Go to your phone settings, apps, tap apps again, find Instagram, tap on permissions, and make sure that Instagram has permission to use your camera. If it doesn't, enable it and then try using the zoom function again. The next step is to clear cache or reinstall the app. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, tap Storage, and then select Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall Instagram from the App Store. This helps to resolve temporary bugs that might affect camera functions like zoom in. If clearing the cache didn't work, try updating Instagram. Make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there is an update available. Updates often fix bugs like zoom issues. Finally, go back to Instagram. Open the camera and try zooming in by pinching the screen. It should work smoothly if the issue has been resolved. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the zoom issue on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!